Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make a baked feta pasta. So we need one mozzarella and we need to cut it into pieces. We can add other type of cheese. This cheese, it's called asciago in Italian. Don't forget our Parmesan. Meanwhile, we need to prepare our tomato sauce. So in a large bowl, we need to put some oil, then carrots, celery, onions, and tomato. When it starts to boil, we need to put our ground beef and stir it properly. And at least cook within 5 minutes. While we are cooking our tomato sauce in other large bowl, cook the pasta according to package direction. Drain, stir into mixture. But remember, don't cook it too much. We called it al dente. In a baking dish, first we need to spread our tomato sauce so it will not dry. Second, we need to add our pasta. Then at the top, add the tomato sauce with our ground beef. Then let's start to sprinkle up with feta cheese, mozzarella, and especially our Parmesan. So we are finished for our first layer of pasta. So let's start for the second. Add again the pasta. Spread it well. add our tomato sauce. Usually you can make 3-layer, but for me, I prefer only with second layer. Add our mozzarella. Our cheese. We call it asciago in Italian. Usually you can add any type of cheese you want. The more cheese you put, it's more tasty and good. So start also to sprinkle our Parmesan. My family love it so much. It's one of my specialty. So it's ready to cook. In oven with 220-degree temperature. Cook at least 20 minutes. So our baked pasta is ready. It looks so delicious.
Thank you for watching. Guys, don't forget to click the button below for a new video. Have a good lunch and buon appetito!